Building rail power C30-7, man, does it bring back a lot of memories of the way it used to be. I don't ever remember, because I did a lot of Union Pacifics, and I did some XBNs for LS&I, and I don't remember exactly how I did the pilots. I think I just kept that buffer plate the way it was, and I just filed and filed until I got the KD coupler box to fit. But it always didn't look right to me, so I got rid of the buffer plate and, well, obviously MU reciprocals, and because I'm going to put CalScale MU air hoses in. So once I get the number 27 couplers and file the opening wide enough for the box to fit, then I'll build another buffer plate out of strip styrene. But now that I got both pads built, I'm gonna let those dry. Well, I don't have a load right now, so I got that one done last night. I just finished the front one. I gotta trim that up. So I'm gonna let that dry till maybe Tuesday or Wednesday of next week before I drill and tap, because that is Testor's liquid cement. You really want that to dry really good, because you don't want to strip it and then have to take it back out. Very hard to take that out. So next I'm gonna start doing the wire grabs on the nose, and I forgot the cab is already glued in. I forgot to drill out for windshield wipers, so I'm gonna do that before I get too crazy into this project. And then I gotta order my cone antenna, Sinclair antenna, and I gotta make a few reciprocal areas. And I don't know, this one here, I think actually had the slots for the sunshade. So I don't know if I'm gonna rob that out of a Canon kit, and these Canon kits are getting harder to find. High-tech details GE cabs are still relatively easy, but the guy that runs Canon is having problems with this press, so I don't want to like rob a Canon kit. So I gotta look at 9425 and see exactly if it had them or not. A lot of them didn't, but I know some did. And I really want to do an X-Union Pacific. On a Line I model, there was only like 2, I think. But oh yeah, I got rid of the rest of the number boards yesterday. Sanded that all down, put a new headlight in. That's really 1003, I believe, but I had got the metal casting for $1 in California. I got one more to do my X Santa Fe. And then when I was in Kansas at the hobby shop, I got the correct headlight with the visors for this one. But this is getting pretty close for a primer check. Once I get these wire grabs in, and once I get the coupler boxes and check the height gauge and get the new buffer plate built, it'll be ready for a primer check, because in all reality, I just want to make sure there's no flaws where the cab meets the shell. And then just to blend everything in, make sure everything looks right, make sure all my grab irons are straight. And then when I get the buffer plate built, make sure there's no flaws there. And after that, it's just adding a few details. But like I said, I love C30-7s. Now the problem is using these older Athearn underframes, is putting all the piping in, drilling into that. And I actually going to be getting a Dremel tool that goes to a USB port, so I can, drill holes while I'm in the truck, waiting for dispatch to call me for new loads. So that's going to be coming up. All right, I'm out.